So to make these amazing sandwiches, the first thing you need to do is get the right kind of bread. So I have these rolls here. The ones I use are called torta rolls, and they're basically like ciabatta rolls. So they have like a nice crunchy outside, kind of firm, and then they are a bit dense on the inside. But ciabatta rolls work really well. Anything that I would say just has like a crusty outside would work really well. So I did cut that in half, and then I have my leftover Thanksgiving ingredients here. So I have the stuffing, the turkey, the gravy, and the cranberry sauce. These are the only things that I usually put in there, but let me know if you guys make a sandwich similar to this and what other ingredients you add to it as well. So to assemble first, I'm going to put down the gravy. And I like to put that on the bottom layer just so it kind of soaks into the bread. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and layer on the turkey. All right, then we're gonna scoop on some of the stuffing. And then the best part, in my opinion, is the cranberry sauce. So I do have a video of this homemade cranberry sauce. I will go ahead and put in the description box down below, but I like to kind of smear it on the top of the other side. Alright, and that is it. Making a mess everywhere, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and squish it. The sandwich can be done if you want. It can end right here, and this is it. However, to amp it up and make it a little bit more special, I love using a panini press, and it presses it down and it makes everything all nice and warm and then even more crispy on the outside. So you can either end here, you can put it in the toaster maybe, or you can do what I'm gonna be showing you next, which is use a panini press, and we're gonna turn this sandwich into a turkey panini instead. So I have my panini press already on. It's set to panini and it is set to high, medium high. So it's already turned green, and I can now put the sandwich in. There it is. It's all done. Look at how amazing it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a cutting board so you guys can see what it looks like. So the sandwich is done. It's so crunchy on the top and it's pressed together. Everything is melded together so nicely. So I am going to put it up here. And look at the sandwich. It is so good, guys. I'm telling you, you have to give it a try. Especially, it's a great way to use up all your Thanksgiving leftovers. And in years future, you will definitely be making extra turkey, extra gravy, extra everything that goes into this sandwich, just so you have the chance to make this sandwich after Thanksgiving. I tell you, every year I go to work and I always make these sandwiches for the day after for all the people I work with, and they love it year after year. There's requests for it, so I love sharing this with you guys, and I hope you give it a try. I will go ahead and put the recipe in the description box below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think of it, and if you don't like it, I don't even know if we can be friends anymore. But comment, like, and subscribe, and happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Have a most terrific one. Bye, guys.